Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'm very excited to have you here with me to discuss the ROI module today of Cemantica. So let's put you in context. Imagine that you have built your CX program, you have designed some personas, journeys, generated some insight, and out of the insight then you created opportunities, solution, and action. Now, how can you show the value CX initiative bring to the business? So let's go to the reports here. With pre-configured CX analytic dashboard, you see revenues, cost saving generated by your CX initiative and track performance and ROI. With the Cemantica platform, you have the capacity to link each CX initiative to KPIs here that you see here with their own business goal and instantly measuring the outcome in terms of business performance. So here you can see the percentage achieved and not achieved of your KPI. Then you have the top 5 measure that you can surface. This one is the ROI potential per measure. So what does it mean? It means that if, for example, you increase your conversion rate or trust score, this is the type of revenue right here, that you will generate. Then you have the ROI per project. So imagine that you were to put together a research portal. This is the type of revenue that you will generate thanks to this project. You even have here the revenue generated by project owner. So the ROI module in the Cemantica Journey Management platform helps you measure the bottom line impact of your CX initiatives. All right, thank you very much. If you want to have more information about the ROI module, please go on the Cemantica website, cemantica.com, or write us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.